Rubber flooring has become a popular choice for Denver residents looking for durable, safe, and versatile flooring solutions. This material works well in home gyms, playrooms, professional workout spaces, and commercial facilities. The flooring combines practical benefits with aesthetic appeal. You can choose from a wide range of colors to match your space. The surface is slip-resistant, making it safer during workouts or when children are playing. One standout feature is its noise-dampening quality, which creates a quieter environment whether you're dropping weights or kids are running around. Denver's weather can be challenging, with temperature fluctuations and varying conditions throughout the year. Rubber flooring handles these changes well, maintaining its integrity in different climates. The material is also environmentally responsible, made from recycled materials for those who prioritize sustainability. Safety is a primary consideration. The shock-absorbing properties reduce the risk of injuries during high-impact activities. The non-slip surface remains safe even when wet, which is particularly important in basement installations or areas prone to moisture. The seamless design prevents dirt and moisture from accumulating in cracks, making maintenance straightforward. Professional installation ensures the flooring fits your specific layout and purpose. Expert installers create seamless edges that look polished and professional. The flooring can withstand heavy exercise equipment and high foot traffic. Proper installation prevents common problems like uneven surfaces and premature wear. For outdoor applications, rubber playground surfaces meet ASTM safety standards. These surfaces absorb shock effectively, reducing injury risk for children. They're designed to handle heavy use and include drainage features that prevent water accumulation, keeping surfaces slip-free after rain. Financing options make rubber flooring accessible, with flexible payment plans and fast approval. Some plans offer no interest if you pay in full during promotional periods. You can choose between tiles and rolls depending on your needs. Tiles offer design flexibility and are easier to replace if damaged. Rolls provide a seamless appearance with fewer seams. The investment pays off over time. Rubber flooring lasts longer than many alternatives, reducing replacement costs. The waterproof nature makes it ideal for basements where moisture can be a concern. For families with children, the cushioned surface provides extra safety in play areas. Whether you're setting up a home gym, creating a safe play space, or need commercial flooring that can handle demanding use, rubber flooring delivers performance and value suited to Denver's unique conditions.